I present to you the 10 sentence plot. It's a technique that I believe I created. It's mainly used for starting to write or even doing something. A technique that can be used in novels, script writing, or even writing a song. Today, you'll learn its simplicity. What is the 10 sentence plot? What is used for in filmmaking? Everything needs to be started as broad. The 10 sentence plot is simply the plot of the story summarized into 10 sentences. It is used to guide as a guide when writing the main story in detail. It doesn't describe anything. It focuses more on the plot. It's just pure plot. The 10 sentence plot is simply and literally the summarized plot of the main story. Next, why? Next, why should you use this technique? Great question of mine. Great question. First, it works and the logic it speaks itself. The second reason is simple. Everything starts small and must be broad as possible. So, along the way you'll have a foundation for creating the house. How? How can you use this technique? To use it, you just need to be broad. Don't focus on every detail. Focus on the plot itself. Also, before you write the 10 sentences, I recommend you to write just one sentence only that describe the whole story. Don't be descripted yet. Focus on the main plot, the overall plot, and don't give names or even places yet. Again, just focus on the main plot of the story. Yet at least add some detail that should be written. Here's an example for you to understand it better. This example is our project itself for the filmmaking tutorials. When should you use this technique? To be big, you must start small. So every time you're going to create something or plan something. So anytime you got lost, you'll have a guide to follow. You'll also have a foundation to keep writing strong. And every time you have nothing in mind to write, read your 10 sentence plot and you'll have an idea again. It serves as a broad story to narrow more. And when the story or the book is done, it could be the introduction itself, or if it is a script to a film, it may be the film description. So your audience will have a brief understanding of your story.